Okay, here's the Royal Family Farms box unveiling. I just got it, and there's a card up there that was taped to the box. Some more stuff in here. Got some nice things here. Some little info pamphlet. Put that to the side. Okay, this is the ice package. Gonna have to cut that open, I guess. Oops. How do I open that? Okay. Getting somewhere now. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed when I'm holding the phone. Alright. So there it is. Nicely packed in there. Let's start taking some of this stuff out. That's the marrow. The marrow bones, which I've never ordered before, but I've seen on a another restaurant in Colorado that serves those that I never got a chance to go to, but now I can make my own marrow bones. Alright, we got steaks. This is the Royal Reserve box, by the way. We got some more steak. These are the short ribs. Okay. More steaks. This is the filet. Okay, we got... Oh man, look at this thing. Goodness. Look how thick that is. Cowboy ribeye. Wow, this thing is huge. It's kind of bigger than I thought it'd be. Got some stuff left. Oh! Another cowboy ribeye. And put him on top of the episode. This is two of them. Packed on top of each other. You can see how thick they are. These are the 4 ribeyes here. The boneless. These are the boneless New York strip steaks. The short ribs. The other New York strip steaks. Let me put them on top of the other one. Oh, dropping stuff here. And the and more filet. And there you have it. So that's it. So that's pretty big, and I just ordered these with my grow tokens. And that is it. That is all she wrote, and I will look forward to cooking some of this up, and I will see you then.